Hello, Obophiles! Have you heard of the 10 Blake songs by Ralph Vaughan Williams? Rafe? Don't you mean Ralph? So Ralph Vaughan Williams wrote these 10 songs as a film score to a documentary celebrating the 100th anniversary of William Blake's life. So some Anglo guy writing music for another Anglo guy's life? What happened to your progressive edge? First of all, it's an awesome piece. Secondly, William Blake's ideas are foundational to the discourse around race and class relations, even today. And even Vaughan Williams was really aware of the issue of access in his society, and really championed the idea of folkloric and amateur music making. But maybe you want a more modern approach to addressing the issues of diversity and inclusion in classical music, and if that's you, you can check out the link in the description to a Kickstarter to help me and a group premiere new pieces at the IDRS conference this summer. And if you are able to lend your support of even $1, you'll be listed as a contributor to help us in our mission to bring this music to life this summer. So lastly, I just want to draw your attention to this piece that was illuminated to me by my musicology professor, Dr. Alison Maggart. The third song in the set, The Piper, uses this metaphor of the Pied Piper of Hamelin, and the war as the thing that draws all the youth from their homes. And also the issue of parents sacrificing their children in order to maintain the status quo of their lives. Okay, but that's enough backstory. Let me know if you want to hear my whole lecture recital on these pieces or the other 7, and for now, let's just listen to 3 of my favorites.
I have no name, I am but 2 days old. What shall I call thee? I happy am, joy is my name, sweet joy befall thee. Pretty joy, sweet joy, but 2 days old, sweet joy I call thee. Thou dost smile, I sing the while, sweet joy befall thee. Piping down the valleys wild, piping songs of pleasant glee. On a cloud I saw a child, and he laughing said to me, pipe a song about a lamb. So I piped with merry cheer. Piper, pipe the song again. So I piped, he wept to hear. Drop thy pipe, thy happy pipe. Sing thy songs of happy cheer. So I sang the same again, while he wept with joy to hear. Piper, sit thee down and write in a book that all may read. So he vanished from my sight, and I plucked a hollow reed, and I made a rural pen, and I stained the water clear. And I wrote my happy songs, every child may joy to hear. He who binds to himself a joy doth a winged life destroy. But he who kisses the joy as it flies lives in eternity's sunrise. The look of love alarms, because it's filled with fire. The look of soft deceit shall win the lover's heart. Soft deceit and idleness